وإما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف. Allah is commanded me and you know that when your parents reach certain age, عندك, it's a different way to say عندك, house, okay? Don't tell them off. Why? Because the more we grow up, the more we lose that sense of become our behavior become a bit we go back.
It changes over time, of course.
That you test. Allah said that is your test. In your house. So how many times and I have heard people saying, when do you want to get married? The first thing that the female asks, do you have a house? Yeah. I live with my mother. No, I don't want to live with your mother.
Yes, okay.
That hurt me a lot. It hurt a lot when you have heard this from a female, that she asking the brother, I don't want to stay with your mother. Excuse me. She suffered before he was born, and she had, subhanallah, this topic make me really more emotional. She has him like for 9 months. He changed her physically, mentally. He drained her. He consumes. That female. After that, when he was born, look at this: 24 hours crying. She was there for him, and after all that suffering, you are saying to that boy, I don't want your mom to live with me.